Good morning, students. A very good morning to you all. Today, we are going to do the revision of some more multiple choice questions from our lessons, right? And yesterday also we did revision of multiple choice questions. We need to prepare the lessons from two directions, objective questions as well as subjective questions. So, today, we'll take the revision of multiple choice questions of Albert Einstein at school. If you remember the lesson, how he hated the school and he did not want to go to school, and all the facts and the remembering points that the points that we have remembered, or we can recall and give the answers and understand few more short, very short questions. So I would like to share few questions with you. Yes. So, Albert Einstein at school. Now, I give you 1 minute to open your book also. You can open your book. Okay. Yes. Now, let us move further. The first question. Albert Einstein at school is taken from the young Einstein's expulsion, the story of Einstein, or famous Einstein. You can open your book for this revision. Now, dear students, pay attention. We'll be doing 20 to 25 questions, and you can make a note also of these questions, like some points which you feel that you have forgotten or they are important points, because they help us in writing answers also. Let me admit some more students. Yes. Okay. The extract Albert Einstein at school is taken from the young Einstein, right? What was the name of Albert Einstein's history teacher? You will give me the answer. Mr. Wheel, Mr. Brown, Mr. Koch, not mentioned in the story. Right? You will note down the question. You will do this searching today. Factual, fact-based question. Note down this question and you're going to search on your own. And if you have searched, give the answer. Right? Anyone? What was the name of Einstein's history teacher? Pragya, Lakshita, Kevin. Anyone from the participants? Those who are in the class? Okay. You need to search this answer and check it, Mr. Brown. Okay. Now, according to Einstein, learning facts is not. According to Einstein, learning facts is not. Option number, which will be the option for this? According to Einstein, learning facts is not education. This particular idea we have discussed in the lesson throughout. That education is this, education is imagination, education is based on creative thinking, critical thinking, collaborative thinking, and so many other synonyms and other words which we discussed as synonyms for education. So even on reading, his view is there. According to Einstein, learning facts is not education. What was Albert's theory of education? Now this you can make out. Giving importance to ideas then to facts, learning all important facts, memorizing or writing everything. Anyone? Option number 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the answer?
Option number 1.
Very good. Giving importance to ideas then to facts. Right? How did Albert feel about going to school every day? Was he cheerful? Option number 1. Was he scared? Miserable or grateful? Was he happy to go to school or afraid or miserable? Was it a misery or grateful? The answer is very easy, dear children. We have discussed n number of times while reading the lesson.
Third option.
Very good, very good. The third option, that is miserable, because he expressed to Yuri also that I find miserable, the most miserable place in the world is this place, the school, his school. How long did Albert's father want him to attend the school for? Until he comes to love the school, until his father called. Option number 3, until he completes his diploma. None of the above. So this also we have discussed in the class, and you can easily select the option. While solving multiple choice questions, you need to be precise, because there are sometimes the similar options. Similar means nearest options. So we need to search the out of those two, or particular that two you can reject, but there are two there. Here it's not the case. So option number 3, until he completes his diploma. Now, where did Albert Einstein reside during his schooling? Again, a factual question, where he was residing, his dwelling place. At home with his family. Option number 2, at the quarters of Munich, at his friend's house, at a place provided by school. So this option must not be difficult for you to pick up the answer. Any option, any answer like I need to say from your side? Kevin, Noel, if he's there.
Second option.
Yes, very good, correct. The place where Einstein lived had The place where Einstein lived had no comfort, bad food, dirt and squalor, all scattered things, and filthy state of, in the vicinity also, and he did not like. So, all of the above, right? Now, question number 9. Albert Einstein had a friend named, very simple question, but again, only those who have read the lesson can answer, because without reading, you cannot answer. Albert Einstein, I say Einstein, I hear people saying Einstein many times. Albert Einstein had a friend named, who will give the answer? It should be prompt now. Who is this friend?
Yuri.
Yuri. Yuri mentions a fight in with a scar is a symbol of defeat, badge of honor, proof of weakness, none of the above. Now, bit understanding. This, who was his friend? Yuri is, you need to recall and you can answer. But if we come to this question, which is based on, let me admit few more students.
Option 2.
Badge of honor. Now, when we are doing these type of questions, we need to again go back to the lesson, fact as well as understanding. Symbol of defeat, badge of honor, proof of weakness, and you can say none of the above is the fourth option. So, the answer is absolutely correct, badge of honor. What was the name of Albert Einstein's cousin? This is option number?
Option 3.
Very good. Option number 3. Yes. What was Albert's cousin's suggestion? This Elsa's suggestion to him to help him to get through his exams. Let me share one point with you, dear students. Albert Einstein used to believe that if you don't feel like, you should go through the things that you feel like reading. Like, if suppose you have to forcibly read something and you don't like it, don't read it. But if we put in our system, we read for the sake of exam so many things. But when I read this thought that this was his notion that don't read what you don't like. You cannot read also, that is very true. So it was an insightful thing for me when I read many years back. We often move in the system and we take exams and all, but many times we don't want to read that particular paragraph or that particular concept or something like that. And if we see this Einstein for childhood, we come to know that how he was struggling like an ordinary child. As we struggle sometimes with the concept, with the things, what was Albert's cousin suggestion? Ordinary suggestion from a person, simple person. Now you need to see this question to understand everything that was taught, to learn without understanding, to pay attention in the class and to find a good tutor. Now, this cousin of Einstein suggested, take the exam, learn without understanding. Actually, it is not possible. When we say, I forgot, I have learned at home, but I forgot at that time, or I couldn't, that is the main reason behind this, we learned without an understanding. So she suggested that you should learn without understanding. You remember the episode, the conversation with you. Let us move to the 13th question. According to Einstein, what was a good enough reason to study something? It has to be a part of curriculum when the reader was forced to study. If the reader likes it, all of the above. Now you can, answer the question because just now we discussed before question number 12. According to Einstein, what was a good enough reason or reasons to study something? If the reader likes it. Apart from books on science, question number 14, what comforted Albert Einstein? Playing on streets, option number 1, drawing and painting, calligraphy, music and playing violin. Anyone who can give the answer? Yes?
Music and playing violin.
Very good. Option number 4. Absolutely right, Kevin. Very good. How did Albert Einstein plan to leave the school? By getting a certificate of nervous breakdown from a doctor, by running away, by calling his father to help him out of school, by asking the head teacher.
By getting a
Option number
certificate
1.
of nervous breakdown from a doctor.
Very good. Very good. And when I ask you the questions, and if one has started, if the other one is about to speak, or the very good discipline you people show. This is I like wonderful. When somebody is answering, the other one doesn't speak in between, even if he or she knows the answer or is planning to give. So this is very good. A compliment early in the morning for your discipline. Einstein was dashed with his own idea of leaving school. Sad, joyous, terrified, doubtful. Was he sad on leaving school? Was he joyful, joyous, terrified, or doubtful? What was his state of mind? This is also easy, not at all difficult, because he wanted to leave the school. He was not like us, and he wanted to run away. At that moment, so he was very troubled, right? And he found it miserable. We have just now discussed. So he was joyous. Option number B. Let us move on to who helped Albert with finding a doctor who would help him in fulfilling his plan to leave the school. Quick answer must come from your side for this. Now these are simple questions, very simple ones. Who helped Albert finding a doctor? His friend.
Option number 3.
Very good. Option number 3, his friend Yuri. Will you make it fast now? Because you have understood that there may be these type of questions. He's not a fool. Yuri warned Albert. Who is he here? Who is this person? He.
Dr. Ernest Well.
Very good. Dr. Ernest Well. Albert was dashed about his appointment with the doctor. thrilled, annoyed, passive, worried. Worried. Option number 1. Let us move to question number 20. What did Albert plan to do after he left school? Look for a job, get into college or institute, start his own business, do nothing. Yes, anyone? Question number 20. Option 1, 2, 3, 4 is on the screen. You can see he would look for a job, get into admitted himself into a college, start his own business and do nothing. Fourth option. Get into college or institute on the recommendations of his other teachers whose classes or the subjects he liked. Right? For how long was Albert supposed to stay away from school as per the certificates? Again, a fact-based question. Fact-based question. 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, and 3 months. Yes.
6
6
months.
months.
Very good. 6 months. The doctor seemed to understand what Albert was going through because he himself had been a student. He was paid well. He was new at being a doctor. None of the above. Now, question number 22 will make us think a little bit. That he himself had been a student. He was paid well. And you know, if you remember, the first option goes absolutely, you know, it fits into the blank because he himself had been a student. Think for a moment he was paid well. This is not the reason. He was new at being a doctor. He himself, you know, he thought empathetically. He kept himself in the same situation. That if I had been in the same situation, what I would have suffered. As per the story, I'll never go back to that place. Which place is Albert referring to? Yes. His home, his school, his room in Water of Munich, Berlin. So this is which place? Yes, dear students, which place? This is his school. Option number 2. How did Albert plan to get into a college? By giving an entrance exam, through his father's reference, by getting a reference from his history teacher, or by getting a reference from his mathematics teacher? The answer is option number 4. And when I'm saying that answer is option number 4, by this time you might have churned this question in your mind, and convincingly you can agree that he went and that particular teacher wrote wonderful remark and he had good regard for Einstein. How much did the doctor charge from Albert? How much did the doctor charge from Albert? Now read the option. I want Kevin or Achal, anyone, please read all the 4 options. Unmute one of you and read all the 4 options. Or any other who is quickly ready, fast. Not ready?
How did Albert plan to get into college? By giving an entrance exam, through his father's reference, by getting a reference from his history teacher, by getting a reference from his mathematics teacher.
Question number 25. 24 we have done. Question number 25. How much did the doctor charge from Albert?
Asked Albert to invite Yuri for a meal. Asked Albert to invite him for a meal. His consultation fees. None of the above.
Now there is a reason why I asked you to read. We go into one episode. He himself found his state as a student. Imagine once I was also a student. Second thing, he asked him, a friendly doctor, very friendly, friend of Yuri, maybe very good friend of Yuri, asked Albert to invite him for a meal or Yuri for a meal. These 2 options we are keeping in concern. So option number 1 is the correct answer because he asked Albert to invite Yuri for a meal as a team, right? So we had a small conversation also in the lesson on the basis of this particular question. It is almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. Which class is Albert talking about here? History, mathematics, science, and English.
Mathematics.
Very good. Now, why was Einstein summoned by the head teacher? Understanding. Why was Einstein summoned by the head teacher?
To reward him for his work.
Option number 1, to ask him to leave the school. Now this is again, you need to remember also and understand also. Of course, everything we need to understand and answer, but excuse me. Why was Einstein summoned by the head teacher? Head teacher wanted him to leave the school. If you read the conclusion of the lesson, he wanted to ask him to go away. What sort of a student Einstein was according to his teachers? He was a troublesome student according to them. That's why his head teacher asked him to leave. Dear students, even if your option goes wrong when we are discussing, or do not worry, please do not stop your efforts, right? That hardly matters. Why did Albert feel that the medical certificate was burning a hole in his pocket? I like this line because this was again a trouble for Einstein. He has done a lot of things, discussed the things with Yuri, and arranged a doctor, and doctor had agreed and given him a certificate, and these things were done this way. So the medical certificate was burning a hole in his pocket because it had cost him money, because it proved to be of no use. Both A and B, none of the above. What will be the option, dear students? Anyone?
Second option.
Third option, because it had cost him money also. Little bit he had to, pay as a. It did not cost him, but because it proved to be of no use. You are not wrong, but we can, as a secondary part, we can make it because it had cost him some money. How it is going to cost him money? He will take definitely duty for some lunch or dinner or some meal and all like that. So both A and B will also go. Your answer is absolutely correct, beta, but we can make an addition here when it is given in the option, both A and B. Well, who did Albert Einstein meet before leaving, this place where his school was? His maths teacher, Elsa, Yuri, the head teacher of the school. Can you get Yuri? Yes, very good. So we finish with multiple choice. Not finished with, but we have covered some questions of this chapter, and that too multiple choice questions. And I'm ending my class. God bless you all, dear students. Let me take the attendance. Thank you.